going to show you now how to add video to your post in Canva. So let's say we are starting an Instagram post and we want to add some video. I can click on videos and I can find anything that I want over here, okay? They put it in categories for you, but you can actually search. So if I wanted a cat in my video, I'm going to type cat and hit enter. And you can hover over it to kind of see what it's about. But I want to caution you really quickly in Canva, be careful about the quality of your video. So make sure that you pick a video, and you can literally just drag it over and it's going to put it into your post. It'll take a second for it to actually update, but you can see what it's doing. Now I want you to go to templates, and you can actually see, let's say that I want to pick this template. Okay, I'm going to just click on this template, and then I'm going to go back to the videos, and I'm going to pull that cat video into the middle. See? Okay, so now I have a cat video, and if you click on it, you're going to see the little play button. So you can see that this cat video is going to play right there. Now I can make that the full screen of the video. I don't have to stick with any templates. I could start with my own template and just pull it in. So if I had a blank canvas, I could go over here, start a blank one, and I can add any videos that I want. So I can put cat, and I can pull that video right into it. Okay, so you can click on it and see that it's going to be the entire square that you're working on. Now, then you can go to text, and I can put anything I want over it. So let's make this white text because it's really dark. I can put catnapping, and you can just play with that however you want. You can move it, you can edit that however you want, but you're going to have a nice little caption for your video. Another good thing to do with videos is to go to elements. Now we're getting into design, but I'm sure you guys don't mind, right? So click on a square and edit that square and make a little banner for your video. So I'm going to pull that across, make a banner, and I'm going to make it black. And then I'm going to add some text, and I'm going to say catnapping today. Or what if we put hashtag lazy Sunday. Made that white, and then pulled that down to go over our banner. And now we have this cool little cat video with a little banner at the bottom. See how fun and easy that is? Make sure it's aligned, but very cool, very easy to do.